Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-5 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the home button, the scroller, and the scroller is also act as an enter, so you can press on it. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Now go ahead and use the scroller to go to applications, enter on applications, scroll down to vehicle status monitor, scroll down to maintenance, enter on it, and enter on schedule, scroll down to reset, enter on it, scroll to reset, enter on that, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.